Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine. I think you have performed well in your exams. है ना? तो your teacher is not present. So I will cover little bit course for you. So up till term 1, you have covered chapter 8. Now today I am going to read chapter 9, and the name of the lesson is what color is that creature? Creature means a small animal. ठीक है? So it is a play, and the characters are, there are 4 characters in this play. Play means role play, नाटक जिसको आप बोलते हैं. ठीक है? So characters in this play are Rajaram, a doctor's assistant; Shyamlal, a stable keeper; Bahadur, a honey seller; and the hermit, an old hermit who lives in forest. Hermit means साधु संत जो जंगलों में अकेले रहते हैं. So now it is scene 1. I will read few lines and explain you in my language. Okay. A village square. There is a neem tree with a platform around it for people to sit on. Rajaram and Shyamlal are in a friendly chat. You know the scene of village. Generally a neem tree is there and people used to sit there and gossip and chat. Okay. So in this village, Rajaram and Shyamlal, they are doing friendly chat. They are discussing something. So Rajaram is speaking. Where is our friend Bahadur today? I hope the spirits of the woods haven't eaten him up. Woods here it means forest. Forest का other name क्या है? Synonyms आपका wood. So he is saying कि where is our third friend Bahadur? He will come, or woods होते हैं, somebody has eaten Bahadur in the wood. क्योंकि आपको पता है जंगल में जनरली दिस केसेस हैपन. एनिमल यूज टू कैच पर्सन एंड ईट देम. श्यामलाल, और ए बियर बिकॉज ही स्टील्स ऑल द हनी. हा हा हा. He said कि maybe bear eat Bahadur because he used to take out honey from the beehives. Both laugh. Bahadur enters. In between, Bahadur is coming. Bahadur, sorry friends, I got late. I had to take a longer route to get back from the forest. Now he is saying sorry for coming late as he has to take long route to reach the village. Why? Because there was a herd of elephants on my way. And herd means group of elephants. It is a collective noun for elephant. You know how dangerous they are. When elephants move in group now, they united and they attack on person. So the people avoid to go in front of herd. Now Rajaram is speaking. Well, we are talking about your adventures in the woods. Adventures means a sporty play. You know, generally people used to play adventurous games. You know, so they are saying कि we thought you are doing adventurous games there. Ha ha ha. Rajaram and Shyamlal laugh again because he used to go in the forest and collect bees, honey from beehives. Okay. So now Bahadur is speaking. I saw a strange creature today on the banyan tree near the great buffalo lake in the forest. In the forest there was a little lake. The name of that lake is Great Buffalo Lake. ठीक है? And what he is saying, he saw a strange creature on a banyan tree and he was late because of that creature. It was still like a stone. वो stone की तरह still था. There was no movement of that creature. It looked so frightening. और उसका appearance कैसा था? Frightening, डरावना. It was blood red in color. What was the color of that creature? Blood red. It was like just a blood. Shyamlal, oh yes, I know about this creature. Now Shyamlal is saying I know about this creature. Last week, one of my master's horses had gone missing. Now he is saying his story. He used to do work in a stable where horse we used to keep. So he said ki my master lost one horse and he went to search near the buffalo lake. So he also saw that strange creature, but it was green. Now Bahadur is saying it is of red color. Now Shamlal is saying it is of green, not red as you said. Now Bahadur again. Puzzled means something thinking. But how can that be? How it is possible? I looked all the more terrible because of its red color. It looked so terrible because of its color like of blood. श्यामलाल eagerly कुछ जानने के eagerly मतलब what is that? Eagerly means to show curiosity. Rajaram about the color of that creature. Bahadur then what color do you think it is? Now Bahadur is saying कौन सा color होगा? What color it is? Rajaram the strange creature in the jungle has a special bluish color. Now Rajaram is saying it is of bluish color. It is like blue color. I have seen it quite many times while collecting herbs from the forest. Now Rajaram is a doctor. He used to go to collect herbs from the forest wood. So he said कि I have seen it as a bluish color. है ना. अब तीनों के कलर्स डिफरेंट है. व्हाट विल बी द स्टोरी, लेट्स सी. श्यामलाल laughing. This is very funny. Why don't you ask your master, the doctor, to give you some medicine for madness? Shamlal is making fun of this and he is saying कि अपने मास्टर को बोलो, डॉक्टर को, to give medicine. You are like mad. Looking at Bahadur. What do you say, Bahadur? Bahadur. Yes, if medicine is bitter, let me know, Rajaram. I will give some honey to mix it with. Now Bahadur is saying I will give you medicine, but it is bitter in taste, so I will mix honey in that. Rajaram angrily. Now he is in anger. Shut up, you fools. It is you too who need medicine. तुम दोनों को भी medicines you require for blindness. You are like doing blind person. Somebody is saying red, somebody is blue saying. So you are blind. You are not thinking about the color of it. Rajaram and Shamlal shout at each other. Now the discussion tha, it was becoming argument and they were discussing and fighting and their noise is also increasing and they are in anger also. Shamlal, I will break your head. You quack. क्वैक मीन्स जो मेडिसिन के बारे में जानता हूँ. उसने बोला आई विल ब्रेक योर हेड. श्यामलाल पुल्स राजाराम बाय कॉलर. उसने इसका कॉलर कैच किया एंड ही वॉज सेइंग लाइक दिस. नाउ बहादुर calm down. Now Bahadur is making them calm. Shamlal and Rajaram, let's not fight over little things. Why can't we go to the banyan tree all together? Now we all three go together and let's see what is the color of the creature and see what color the creature is. Now all the three are ready to go there to search this mystery. What is the color of that creature? Rajaram, yes, that sounds better. Means now it is right. Shamlal, let's go straight away then. Chalo, straight away then means directly we should go to the forest. Now it is the scene of forest. Now the banyan tree near the buffalo lake in the forest. A hermit is sitting under the tree. You can see from the picture also, hermit is sitting under the tree and all the three are discussing. As the three friends reach the scene, the hermit opens his eyes. You know, Sant log, they came to know that three are coming, so he opened his eyes. Now hermit is speaking. Welcome Bahadur, Shamlal and Rajaram. Bahadur, surprising, उसको तो surprise हुआ. You know our names? We have never met before. How do you know our names? We are meeting first time. Hermit with a smile. I also know what brings you here. I know why you are coming here. What is the question in your mind? I know everything. I have been living in this forest for many years. I am living in the forest from so many years. The creature in question is familiar to me. I know that this question always comes in our mind about this creature because everybody knows the color of this creature in a different way. It does not have the same color always. Always the color is different. So this is the main question in all over the village. It is sometimes blue and sometimes red. It can appear brown as well. Now one more color हो गया. Red, brown, blue, green. Now 4 colors we came to know. Now Raja Ram is. We were going to kill one another over the color of this creature. How foolish of us. Now Raja Ram is saying in the discussion we used to fight with each other and we just want to kill each other. हमारी fighting इतनी बढ़ गई कि we can kill each other. So or on a small thing we are fighting. What is the color of that creature? How foolish of us. हम कितने foolish हैं. Hermit. This creature changes its color according to the place where it sits. Now what is the quality of this creature? It wherever it sits, it changes color according to the situation. Suppose the creature is sitting on a green bush, so it will show green color. If he sits in blue color, he changes color to blue. So this creature has the quality to change the color according to the surrounding. इट इज़ कॉल्ड कैमेलियन. आपने हिंदी में सुना होगा गिरगिट और इसके लिए कहावत भी है कि गिरगिट की तरह रंग बदलना. दोज हु चेंजेस देयर व्यूज़ फ्रिक्वेंटली. सो उनके लिए कहावत है कि गिरगिट की तरह कलर बदलना. सो इट इज़ फेमस कहावत प्रोवर्ब. सो दिस क्रिएचर नेम इज़ कैमेलियन. इट वॉज रेड व्हेन बहादुर सॉ इट. जब बहादुर ने देखा था इट वॉज ऑफ रेड कलर. When Shyamlal went to the forest, the chameleon was sitting in the bushes. जब श्यामलाल आया था तो वो bushes में बैठा था. So it became green. Raja Ram saw it among blue flowers. राजा राम ने जब देखा था वो it was sitting in blue flowers. So the color of the chameleon was blue. All of you were right about the color of the creature. तुम सब अपनी अपनी जगह पर correct थे. You all are right on your views. But the situation is different कि the creature has the quality to change the colors. Now, Shyamlal. Sir, you are a wise man. We are sorry about our meaningless quarrel. Now, Shyamlal is feeling very bad and he is saying कि you are a wise person, you are a saint and we are sorry कि we are fighting for a small thing. Hermit. Now saint is speaking. The debate. Debate means discussion between two. The debate about God is like your argument. God के लिए जब भी discussion होता है वो ऐसे ही होता है. Those who know God closely will have no doubt about His nature. Those who know God about God, उनके लिए कहा है कि they know their nature. God is always truth. You may have heard people say, you have heard people are speaking, what I am saying is right. Whatever I am is saying is right. And whatever you are saying, that is wrong. Always I am the right. And this thinking always misguide person. Okay. Whenever all will say कि I am right, so who is wrong? Okay. So this views changes the views of others and it creates a situation of quarrel, fighting. These are arguments of the foolish and the ignorant. ऐसे arguments who will do? Foolish person and ignorant. Ignorant means those who don't have any knowledge. जब educated person होते they will not fight for such small thing. They know God and its nature. There are many different and correct points of view about truth. There are different views for truth and all will say I am the right. Bahadur, thank you, sir. You have taught us an important lesson. We shall share this with all the villagers. You have taught us a very good lesson. Now we will not fight for such a small thing. And now we will share all these views of you to the villagers. And we will give education to the villagers that Don't fight for such small things. Raja Ram Shyamlal Bahadur thanked the hermit. They are very thankful to the hermit and returned to the village. Okay, this is a very small and interesting story. I hope you understood, and it is a very simple in language also. So after the video, you watch the video properly and go through the lesson twice. Try to read on yourself. There is no, I think, hard words like this you can't able to read. Okay, so read again and again so that your concept should be clear. And I will, when I give you the next video on Thursday, it will be on your question answers and book exercises. So you watch the video and try to complete your copy. Okay, till then, have a nice day, good day, and enjoy your reading. Okay, thank you. Bye.